we have given figure and we have translate this figure by notation. We have x minus 4y plus 5. It means we have to move to the left 4 units and we have to move up 5 units. So first we will copy every point of our quadrilateral. We have point K has coordinates -2, -1. So now we have to look to our notation. We have to subtract 4 from x. This is our x, y. So we have -2 minus 4 and we have y. So it's -1 plus 5. So we have now -6, because -2 to -4 is -6. -1 plus 5 is 4. And next we have L has coordinates 3, 0. It means we have to subtract 4 from x, this is our x now, and we have to add 5 to the y coordinate. So now we will have 3 minus 4 and 0 plus 5. So we have -1, 5. Next we have M. Point M has coordinates 4, 2. This is our x, this is our y. And we have notation that we have to subtract 4 from x and we have to add 5 to y. So now we have 4 minus 4 and we have 2 plus 5. So we have 0, 7 point, and we have point N has coordinates -1, 4. So now we will have, this is our x, this is our y, -1, and we have formula -4, and we have y is 4 plus 5. So point N now has coordinates -5, 9. So let's find these points. We have first -6, 4. So this is -1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 4 up. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is our point. Let me put that this is point K prime now. Next we have -1, 5, -1, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is approximately here. This is our point L prime now. Next we have 0, 7, 0, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is our point M prime now. And we have point N, -5, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 9 up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So approximately it will be here. This is our N prime. Now we can connect these 4 points. N prime with K prime, K, and here we have L prime, M, and N prime. We see that our quadrilateral is the same. Nothing changed, only we move this quadrilateral 4 units to the left and 5 units up, because we have -4 plus 5. In other words, we can say that we move our quadrilateral KLMN by vector -4, 5. This is my solution.